Hey, what's going on, guys? Death Plus 69 here. Well, actually, I don't know. Thinking about changing my name, so if I ever get big, I won't have legal troubles with Bethesda. I do love that game. I wonder if I'll get in trouble for that because I remember Krispy Kreme is now Froggy Fresh. So I don't know. Should I change my name? I was thinking Glock Zales because that's my last name and I like Glockies, Glizzies. Um, or something else, some ideas. Or if I can, I think I can get away with it because I do like that name. I think it's funny, Deathclaw 69. Anyways, let's get to the review, boy. So today we are reviewing the Air VaporMax Plus in University Red, Black / White. Where they get the white, I don't really know. 9.5. But let's get to what's inside the box. All right, inside the box. Let's see. Let me see. Shee, boy. Got them VaporMaxes. What else it comes with? And another VaporMax. What? And that's pretty much it for these. Just some VaporMaxes, and that's the end of the review. See y'all next time. I fucking pranked y'all. That's not it. Fuck yeah, baby. All right. Nah, I'm just kidding. Let's get serious. Right away. I know y'all see it. Oof. The combination. Jesus Christ. The shiny black bubble, the shiny whatever they call this. I don't know. I'm not an expert on them. This is my first pair of VaporMaxes. The shiny red, the combination is what stands out. That's why I like them. On camera right now they're looking red, but they're maroonish red, like crimson red almost. Not quite Alabama colors, but almost there. The combination, the Nike logo, man. Oof, man. And then the soft velvet back here. Shit, boy, these materials. Got the logo back. I guess that's where the white comes from on the box. Oh, the fuck they do that? Oh, I just noticed this. The Aglets. VaporMax Air. Don't talk shit about my nails. I need them sometimes. Same thing on the other one. Oh, yeah. Got that. Well, anyways, back to details on the shoe. Got that sole right here, the upper sole. Squishy rubber. Then you got the bubble right here. Nice and thick. Got this shiny red in the middle. The toe. Shiny. And then you got the black lines. These, I know they're normally translucent. I mean, reflective, not translucent. Reflective. And they're grayish. They're a little bit lighter than that. Like the ones on my girls. But these are black, and I checked it out. They're still somewhat reflective, but they're not as bright as the other ones. Regular black shoelaces on the tongue. And soft suede or whatever this is. Oh, my cuticles, bro. This shit's annoying. Air VaporMax Plus. Soft. On the other side, same thing. These are fire, brother. Tell you what. Squishy. On the inside, you got the VaporMax logo, as well as on the back and on the aglet. Got your strap back here, just a basic strap. Back strap. And already pointed out the shiny front. Simple, but nice. The lace holes, some different type of rubber. Feels good. And I think the shoes are the same on the inside. VaporMax logo on the tongue, on the aglets. No difference. No, they're similar. They're both the same. Got your Air Max logo down here. Pretty much it on this one. This one has the same thing. This one has the Nike logo. Okay, they're not exactly similar. That's cool. I've never walked on these before. I feel nice though. They look cool. I like this right here. This little detail on the bottom. It goes all the way through. Pretty much it. Let's get to what they look like on feet, boy. right, this is what they look like on feet. Obviously, you're gonna have to rock them with joggers or something. I cannot see myself wearing jeans with these, not even skinny jeans. Maybe, I don't know, sounds like it'd be hard to pull, or it looks like it'd be hard to pull. Even with cargos, skinny cargos, they're kind of weird. They're obviously for exercise, for working out, for chill, you know, for chilling, for, you know, comfortability. Weird. I thought they were gonna be like super comfy. They're just super firm. I guess that's what they're for. They're not for. But they're firm, comfortable around the top. Not as cushy as Overbreak that I just got. They came in like a day apart. But still comfortable shoes. Feels good. True to size. Not too big, not too small. They're snug. Got them in 9.5. Little dick gang in the building. Which is weird because usually Jordans have to get bigger, but I don't know, I guess it's just the design. But they're looking good with them joggers or them sweats. Fire. Man, whew. Let me turn off the lights. Oh wait, no, I ain't got the flash on. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. Still I keep saying translucent. Reflective. Yeah, can you tell? Oh yeah, they're still reflective. You can definitely see on the camera. Right here in person they look dark, but on the camera you can see it. Almost white. Alright, pretty much it, guys. These I am keeping. Got them for myself. Gotta rep them Texans and Rockets, baby. Even though they're doing just as well as I'm doing catching my shoe. But yeah, we'll be keeping these. Nice, awesome color. I suggest them, yeah. Whoa. Okay, that's just okay. Oof, got scared. Yeah. Let me know what you think about them. What you think about the color. Everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Everything. I need more viewers, subscribers, everything. Give me all you got. Shout out to NFG.